So I got to redo the wiring here, fix it, because the existing one is mangled pretty bad, and one of the wires is actually not in the terminal anymore, this one, and it's not in good shape, so there's no point in in keeping this receptacle or plug, this connector. I'm going to throw this away, and I have one in the junkyard that will do the same. I'll just have to solder it. And this is the bumper that I have. It's not red in color, but it has two signal lights, turn lights, and it has also the bumper support included, and it will just bolt in there. It has also the bulb in there, also that one. So yep, and this face should be complete. So I got it all soldered, and the bulb we tested, works fine. So we got this one also got connected, this one connected, and we're gonna install the bumper. So it's just a matter of sliding these slots or these tabs in to the header panel. So I can't put it in with the grill, and the grill need to go out. Yep. Yep. So the bumper needs to be bolted in here, and this one too. So my super glue seems to be holding well, maybe. So I need to take out this screw, and this should go. I got the bumper in place now. Yep, looks pretty good. I don't know if I need to paint it, but at this stage so far I'm satisfied. So I still have to handle the door issue, the shifter issue, the key that is stuck in the ignition. That's the main part. The ABS, I replaced the ABS sensor, and it's still failing, so there must be a problem with the wiring there. This door lock and the tailgate door lock is having problems, so I don't know if it's a very common issue. The seats are still in pretty bad shape. Cleaning them won't help, but the brakes too on the rears needs to be replaced. Yep, they're in bad shape. It's still drivable, but so I got this one put back in. I might probably replace this whole tailgate thing.